Hi guys, welcome back for your third example problem on translations on the coordinate plane. This one's a little bit different. Take a look at it compared to what the last two was asking us to do. Take a minute and think what's different about this one. All right. I don't know if you said it, but here we already have both images drawn. What we don't have any information about is it doesn't tell us how to move the object. It's already been moved. We need to come up with what the rule is. So it looks like I need the coordinates for the pre-image, which is my x, y, and my image, which is we don't know what the equation for that is yet. But maybe if I get a couple points, I can start. Does anyone remember how I know which one is the image and which one is the pre-image? I'm going to pause for a second and let you think about that. Okay. If you said that you know the image, the copy, is the one with the prime notation, you are 100% correct. So our pre-image is GHIJ here, and our image is G prime, H prime, I prime, J prime. So I'm going to look at what the points for my pre-image are. So G, H, I, J. The pre-image, G is at, is that 1 or 2? 2, -7. H is at 2, -1. I is at 5 over 5 down 1, 5, -1. And J is at 5, -7. Oops, 5, -7. My image, so my G prime, H prime, I prime, J prime is over here. I'm going to start with G. I'm going in alphabetical order. -5 on X, -3 on Y. H is at -5, 3. I is at -2, 3. And J prime is at -2, -3. I can always go back and check on the picture, but I'm going to ask myself to go from the pre-image to go from 2 to -5. 2 to -5. 5 to -2, 5 to -2. It's decreasing. And I can see that it's decreasing by 7. 2 take away 7 is -5. Same thing here. 5 take away 7 is -2. So on X, I'm going down 7. And that seems to make sense because I can see that from my pre-image to my image, I'm moving to the left. So it is going lower. And then on Y, I go from -7 to -3, -1 to +3. It looks like it is going up by 4. So it's Y plus 4. Just going to double check. If I were to go from I'll start at G. If I'm going from G to G prime, I'm going to see if that works. If I go left 7 and up 4, if I go from this point to this point. If I go left 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, starting to line up with G prime. And I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3. Then it looks like my rule does work. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Go up 4. So that works. So what it looks like it's doing from our pre-image to our image is left 7, up 4. And our algebraic translation of that was x minus 7, y plus 4. And when we did this, did the image change size when we went from here to here? It looks like it's the same size. It's a 3 by 1, 2, 3, 3 by 6 rectangle, both of them. So the size did not change. So we would expect that. Remember, anytime you do a translation, a rotation, or a reflection, you still should have a congruent shape. This shape still should be congruent to that because we've moved every single point the same amount in each direction. Left 7, up 4. All right, guys, I will come back at you with another video in just a minute.